What's up, everybody? This is Michael from Craine Painting here in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. We are going to be doing a little cool thing with this table today. Um, I will put the original picture of the reddish finish that was on here already. I just got a seal of a lifetime on this. I've sanded it down, but I haven't sanded all of it down because I want some of the red to still show through to mix with the color that we're going to put on, and hopefully get a little green pop. So just dressed it very, very lightly. It had a couple things in nicks here and there. I let my wife and kid smack the hell out of one with a hammer. Let's see if we can do this here. That one right there. It turned out really pretty, but there's just way too many marks on it. Anyways, it is what it is. Live and learn. And it doesn't matter because we're just having fun. So, turn. There we go. So, next step, we're going to add a little bit of black, cover it up, sand the black back. That's going to add to the color a little bit more too, and we'll do that right now. Alright, so from what you can see is we took damn near all the black off. We left some spots that are pretty black. Let's see if this is going to turn with me. Yeah, here we go. So we beat up the corners. Let's get this fixed. So, some file marks. We left some of it black and beat up. It is what it is. Anyways. Oops, sorry. We went through all the way down to the bare wood in a lot of places. That's really going to pick up the indigo color of the blue. You see here where we got some green wood down here. That's really going to give it some color, changes. The red's also going to pick up some greens once we hit it with the blue. And then it'll just be super duper dark with the black. So we just dressed it a little bit. Oops, sorry. Stressed it a little bit, not much. Just some of the original things that it came with. Smacked it with a couple of screwdrivers and things like that, but we do know that that was a little too much. So even if you want to, you probably don't want to let your kids and wife slam it with a hammer for half an hour. So lesson learned. Sorry, I got interrupted. A lot of people ask what kind of HVLP or what kind of sprayer we use. You can use, I like using General Finishes and Duro Poly for all my cabinets. It's phenomenal. I found that you can use an HVLP with that. You can use an airless. If you are using an airless, you have to be real fast. It will like drip. It's a very, very thin product. So you need to move fast and you have to have great air movement. Same can be said for an HVLP. It is what it is, but the one that I like to use is the trusty Active Spray. I think it's like a 10 or 11G or something like that. Super old gun, great. Has the PPS system, which I love. I have an Apollo gun. It's broken right now, which is really annoying. But I have the PPS system on there too. This little thing right here. Let's pull that out. This little coupling screws right onto the bottom of most guns, and 3M has a coupler that you can use to outfit just about any gun you want. You do have to look up, which one fits your specific model of gun, but this allows me, you see this little thing right here inside? I got it filled with dye stain right now, so I don't need much of it. And I have the large cup because this creates a vacuum, hooks up to here, sucks air from the turbine, and it sucks up all the product in the cup. There's no mess. And I could spray upside down, sideways, slantways, upways, whatever ways I feel like, which is great for, you know, spraying inside boxes. When we're doing kitchens, you know, there's a lot of times people got strange built-ins, and it's just extremely handy. This way I don't have to worry about a gravity feed system. So that's what works for me. Plus I'm lazy and I don't like cleaning things up too much. I really hate cleaning things up. Anyways, we have the table here. As you can see, it's sanded very imperfectly, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray some dye stain on it. See how it turns out. So have a good one. I hope everybody keeps watching. Bob Ross says anyone can paint. All you need is a dream in your heart and something else. So another thing is, when you do something like this and you decide to take a video, make sure that you have enough product in your cup before you do it. But anyways, here's what it turned out to be like. As you can see, we have some greens, some blacks, some blues, and everything is, you know, mixing in with the base coat that was between it, before it. So pretty cool. See that? We got some stuff. I got a little way too much sandpaper grit there. Maybe 60 grit wasn't the fastest way to go. Kind of cool though, huh?